So this is my rainwater collection system off of garage roof on both sides. Comes out of the gutter, which has a leaf guard on it. Goes down to the gutter, into a screen, and into a first flush system that fills up when it initially starts to rain. Now with all the dirt from the roof and whatever else is on the roof, and all that fills up, and then the water then puddles at the top and overflows into the neck valve. Compression fitting behind the ladder, and an air gap so that air doesn't trap the water in there. And the same thing for the other side of the roof, and there's the screen with the double screening mechanism on it. It's placed on the roof for purity. Once again, another first flush system with a compression valve at the bottom to release all the dirty water that's in there collected off the first set of rain. And then, see where both of these pipes are joined right there with a bit of plastic hose, and you can see the water chugging on through to the tank. So if the tank has to be cleaned, this can be taken off real easy. And then this is the 650 gallon tank, purchased with delivery for $440. Bricks on the bottoms provide some degree of habitat for animals, as mice and whatever rodents can fit underneath, and cats can't get to them. Took some granite boulders from our property and protect the tank from vehicles backing into it. Here's the exit system. All these pipes were placed in here to maximize overlap as much as possible to protect against freezing and to provide a little bit of insulation. And see how the water goes on up into this hose, and we can use it to show the water level in the tank and or to provide water out of the tank directly in a rapid fashion. And you can see right there is the water level to the tank. And so the tank is only about a quarter full, and you can see the water level right there. And since the tank's only a quarter full, it's actually shooting out a pretty good distance. And should the water freeze, then I can take this hose, pull it off of here, and stick it right in there to keep the water level at about 75%. You can also, the way this was rigged was so the water goes into here, it goes down in here and goes into the tank, but once the water level in the tank reaches this point at the corner right there, that it should go into the overflow valve and then prevent freezing from breaking all the pipe off. So the overflow then goes, of course, down into the other plastic tubing and the gutter.